Am I the only one that didn't know you can tackle most coughs at home? These simple steps can make a big difference. Here's what actually works. Start by staying hydrated. Sip water, teas, or honey lemon if over 1 year old. Steam from showers or a humidifier helps soothe airways. Suck on cough drops, just not for kids under 6. Rest up, elevate your head, and avoid smoke. Try herbal teas for an extra boost. But see a doctor if your cough lasts over 2 weeks, gets worse, or comes with fever, chest pain, or trouble breathing.